Okay, now sit down.
Okay.
2 minutes, guys.
Okay, right. This is going to be a tremendous success.
Giving up in the return. James down the line. Slides down the middle. Kills it. Back cross.
Who says we can't organise gold medals? Have you noticed how it's only the women who are winning gold medals?
Thank